Hello there.
Oh,
Hello, Zizan. Can you
hello.
hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good. It's finally we can actually meet. So, first thing first, before we start, let's have some introductions, okay?
Okay.
All right then. So, why actually we start from you first? Can you have some introductions for me?
Um, my name is Ishan, and I am from Alpha, and I
Yeah.
learn at the school Alpha in Tirundu.
Mm-hmm. And then, how old are you?
I'm I'm in grade five.
Sorry, can you repeat?
I'm in grade five.
Grade five. Okay. And then, how old are you?
11.
11. Okay. And what is your hobby, Zizan?
I like to play football, and I also like to play piano.
Okay. You're interested in music too. Is your English is your favorite subject?
I mean, I'm good at it, but it's not my favorite subject.
Okay then. So actually for today, Zishan, is it your nickname, Zishan? Or can I
Yeah.
call you with something else?
Just call me Zishan.
Zishan, is it correct?
Yeah.
All right then. So actually, let's have some introductions from myself. So my name is Mr. Theo. You can call me Mr. You can call me Theo. Okay.
Okay.
Just yeah.
Why are you muted? Why are you muted?
Sorry, there's a problem with the connections. Okay, Zishan, can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Okay, so for Zishan, let me introduce again. My name is Mr. Theo. You can call me Mr. or Theo. It's actually up to you. Okay, and I'm gonna be your new Python teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. So for Zishan, I think let's just try to continue our lessons from where we belongs, okay? So I see that your progress is actually already on module 4, lesson 1 for now. Oh, that's a good journey. So how was it so far with your Python? Is it actually hard, medium, easy for you?
Medium.
Medium. There is some difficulties, but also you can still handle it, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And from 1 to 10, how interested for you so far, this course in Algonova?
It's interesting. Like, it's pretty fun.
And is it actually kind of new for you?
Yeah. I don't really do coding at school. My dad is the one that introduced it to me
Mm-hmm.
because he just wanted to explore my abilities.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's actually a really good one. And it becomes that you are interested with it, right?
Yeah.
Nice one. Okay, then. So let's catch up with our lessons, okay? First thing first, I will try to do the share screen about the subject, all right?
Okay.
So hold on a second. Alrighty. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, in here, welcome to Module 4 Lesson 1. And today we're going to learn about turtle module. So, I think last time you already learned some modules, right? Like, if you remember, there is a random and there is
Yeah,
actually
there's
time.
random this time.
Mm-hmm. Is there
I
anything
thought
else
it
that
was
you
about
remember?
random and time.
And also, if you remember, last time we already made a custom module. Do you remember that also?
Mhm.
A custom module. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, using what function?
Uh,
Start with D, letter D.
definition. D.
Yeah, define. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually we're gonna moving on to the new one in here. It's turtle module. I think do you ever actually go on with trial class before starting the course at Algonova?
Yeah, I've done turtle before, like just a bit though. I haven't.
So you're gonna be familiar with this one, right? Because you already tried it before, right?
Yeah,
Okay then.
but
So
I
let's see.
didn't get really deep into turtle, so
Yeah, we're gonna go a little bit deep right now, okay, about the turtle, okay?
yeah.
So in module 4 lesson 1 in here, we're gonna discussing about turtle pretty much actually a whole module from the first lesson until the end. So we're gonna actually really go deeper with this module, okay? Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yeah.
Nice one. Okay, let's continue. Yep. As you already know, and you maybe already get used to it too. So when we actually get some business with Turtle module, we actually try to draw something at our Python code because that's what Turtle is used for, right? To actually draw something, the module that's specific for drawing something. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna actually discussing a little bit more about some image topics, some graphics, and the first thing that we're gonna learn is actually about what actually stands for the graphic itself, which is gonna be the pixel. So you ever heard about this word before?
Yeah.
Okay, so the pixel, maybe yeah, you already familiar with that too, is actually the minimum or indivisible part of the graphic image. So this is actually the smallest unit of what make image right now, okay? And the collections of pixels is actually called bitmap. And the collection of bitmap is actually called bitmap image. You got it so far?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Is there any questions until here?
No.
All right, let's continue. So when we actually working with bitmap graphics, there is actually color also that we're gonna actually learn about it. And if you see in here, the color in graphic or the color in image is actually made by coding. So there's actually a code that actually stands for each color. In the old world, in the 19th, if you want to actually giving color, you can actually just giving two kind of colors. Either it's gonna be black or white. And the code for that is actually just stands for 0 and 1. 0 is actually learned for no color or black, and 1 is actually stands for color, which is going to be white. You got it?
Yeah.
And in the modern world right now, in yeah, our world, there's actually more than just black and white, right? And if you want to make that kind of color is actually encoded with a set of zeros and ones. So this is actually yeah, a variation of colors, which is going to be the variation of zero and ones. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so is there any questions until here?
No.
All right, let's continue. Okay, so this is a little bit about color in Turtle module. So whenever you want to actually insert colors in Turtle module, you can just simply mention the name of the color. For red, just call it red, green, blue, and etc. You got it?
Yep.
All right. Okay, now let's talking about the function inside this module. So there is actually some of the function, and the good news for you in Turtle module, the function itself is actually kind of obvious and easy to remember. So first thing first, I want to remind you about the standard function for all module. Before you actually using the module, please don't forget to connecting the module itself to your workspace before you using it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you still remember about this method before from the previous tutor?
Yeah.
Okay. So after you already connecting, then you can actually using some commands from the module itself. And in this turtle module, we have some functions such as forward, left, right, color, and exit on click. I want to start from the bottom one first because this is the most important things. Why exit on click is the most important thing? Because the exit on click has the purpose to keep the image on the screen. Why this is important? Because let's say that you already make some set of function, forward, left, right, and etc. But if you actually forget to using exit on click, when you try to run the code, the image is gonna be made and then disappear. Why? Because you don't using exit on click. So to keep the image stay on your screen, please close your code with exit on click at the end. You got it?
Mhm.
Okay, and then after that, let's go to the function from the top. We have a forward, which is going to be move your pen forward to the specified number of pixels, and left to actually turn left, and right to turn right, and color to actually insert a new color. So far, you got it?
Yep.
Okay. And in forward, left, and right, if you see in here, inside the bracket or inside the parentheses, you have to insert the number of pixels, which is going to be how long you want to go forward and how many degrees that you want to turn left and right. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you already learn about degrees at school?
What?
Do you already learn about degrees at school in math?
Yeah.
Like 90 degrees, 180, such
Yeah.
as that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you already familiar with that, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. And for the color function, don't forget to mention the color name inside the bracket, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's see some examples. Yeah, let's say that there is a customer that want to make a black square, okay? With no fill and the side long is actually 150 pixels. How to actually do that is basically just like this. Connecting the module. And then if you see in here, it's going to be start always from the bottom left. Okay. This is our starting point. And if you see in here, they actually using forward, which is going to be go right here, 150 long, and then turn left 90 degrees. Okay. And then go forward again. And as you can see, this is actually just the repetition until here. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Is there any questions?
No.
Okay then. So what do you think so far? Is it kind of easy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's learn about making another shape, such as this. The customer wants to tile with triangles. They haven't yet decided on the color. So we have to program both of the triangles in red and blue. So now this time that we have two colors to be coding it, red and blue. And the triangle side line is actually 110 pixels. Okay.
Okay.
So do you already know that triangle, the same side triangle is actually have 60 degrees each side?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So because we can learn about this in the next slides. So let's go to here. Okay, so if you can see in here, because we have to code in red and blue, so before we actually start making the shape of the triangle, please mention the color first because this is important. Which color you're gonna start first is actually the first one that you have to handle, okay? So mention the color because we're gonna start with red, then color red, and then go forward in here with 110 the length, and we're gonna using left 120 degrees. Do you know why we have to using 120 degrees?
Um. No.
No, okay, I will explain then. So you already know that triangle is actually have 60 for each side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's imagine that your pen is actually already on here and want to go to here, right? So if you see from the side, because we have 60 in here, and you want to make your pen turn around from here to here, so all you have to do is actually do this turn, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how big is this? How to know this degrees is actually just simply using 180. Why using 180? Because this is actually the degrees for a straight line, right? 180.
Yeah.
And because we have 60 in here, so we're gonna minus 60. And then if you calculating that, we're gonna get 120 degrees. You got it? 180 minus 60 equals
Okay.
120 degrees. You got it?
Okay.
Okay. So that's why we're gonna using actually the left 120 degrees. And then you can do the repetition until you're gonna go to the next color and do the same thing. You got it?
Yep.
Is there any questions about this?
No.
Actually, if you actually have a good imagination, actually this is gonna be fun and it's simple for you, okay? Because the trial and error is actually kind of obvious more than any code that you ever actually make, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I think let's continue a little bit about some functions in the turtle. Okay, some extra function that we're gonna learn about the turtle. First is actually the begin fill function. What is the purpose of this? Is actually to make a color. So if you already notice, our shape before is always gonna be in white, right? There is no fill color inside the shape. Now, if you want to fill the color inside your shape or inside your picture, you have to actually using begin fill. But this always comes in the package. What package is actually begin fill and end fill? This is a whole package. You got it?
Okay.
Begin fill to actually start filling the color and end fill to stop it. So whenever you are already done coloring, please stop it with end fill. Okay? You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's actually another package of function such as pen up, pen down, and go to. The function of this is actually to, yeah, imagination. You can imagine that pen up is actually just raise your pen from the paper and you will go up. That's pen up. And pen down, just the opposite. From up, and you can go down to the paper again. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
And why actually we have to using pen up and pen down? Because we're gonna using go to. Go to actually let you to change the position of your pen into somewhere else. And you're gonna using coordinate for that. The X coordinate and Y coordinate to actually go to somewhere else. You got it?
Yeah.
So how to use it? It's actually you have to using pen up first to actually move your pen from the paper. And then you can using go to after that to move to somewhere else. And then pen down. Okay? You got
Okay.
it? All right. Is it confusing for you? Or you still got it?
No.
No? Is it still good for you?
Yeah.
Okay, then. So let's see some examples. Okay, let's see in here. So let's say that you want to actually program a three-circle pattern for wallpaper. The circle parameters, okay, there is actually a small yellow circle with a radius of 30 pixels in the top left, okay, and at the bottom center, a medium-sized green circle with radius of 40 pixels, and at the top right, big red circle with radius of 50. So how to actually code that is actually just using pen up to actually go to specific location and then pen down and then do the color. After the color, you can actually start break in fill. And after begin fill, you can start using a circle function to make a circle. And 30 is actually the diameter, the radius of a circle. You got it?
Okay.
And then end fill to actually stop coloring and exit on click to actually finish it. You got it?
How do I see the coordinates?
Yeah, it will be given to you, so you don't actually have to be panicked about it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear until here?
Yeah.
Okay, I think let's stop share and we will actually do some practice with me. So I will start share again with another one. Hold on a second.
Why can't I share screen?
Yeah, you can share screen after I'm share screen about this first. Okay, I will start share screen first. Do you see my screen again?
Mm, yeah.
Okay, so let's see in here. We have to fix the bug because we actually have to make a square. And let's see what we already made in here. You see something odd in here?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me where do I have to fix the bug or which line that has a mistake?
What shape are we trying to make?
We try to make a square.
Oh, trying to make a square.
Mhm. So if you see something like
The left
this,
is supposed the one on number 4, the left is supposed to be 90. And on number 6, the left is supposed to be 90 again. And then
okay,
the the left should always be 90. I'm pretty sure.
in here,
Yeah.
is there anything else?
Mm, no.
Okay, let's see. Let's actually fix that first. So it should be 90, right?
Yeah.
90, and also in here, and also in here. Are you sure about this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Okay, good. So it's kind of simple and easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, is there any questions?
No.
Okay. So if there's no questions, I think let's try to do some practice from the platform. I will let you to actually do the share screen, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and by the way, I will give you the link to the PowerPoint so you can actually download and learn again if you want, okay?
Okay.
I will give the link on the chat Zoom so you can download it. Do you see the link?
Um, wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you can click on it and download the file, okay?
What's this for?
For you to learn again at home if you want to.
Oh, okay.
So you can actually click on the file to download and click download and yep, that's how you do it. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Okay, now you can go to the course, go to number 14 and let's do the practice. If you have any question, don't mind to ask me, okay, Zisan?
Okay.
Okay, good. So good luck. By the way, I actually kind of forgot to tell you about this function.
Hmm?
I forgot to tell you about this function, pen size. So if you see pen size, it's actually used to actually changing the size of your pen. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yep. You can continue if you got it. So if you see here, this is actually kind of thick, right, with the line. So
Yep.
if you want to make it this thick with a 10 pixel, so you just have to using pen size and changing the size to 10, okay?
Yep.
And don't forget to connecting the module first before you start.
Oh yeah. Oh. How do I do the color?
Don't forget that if you want to using a color, please actually using quotation for the color.
Oh.
It should be forward, not forward.
Yeah, I was typo. Hmm?
There is still some mistake.
Oh. Is it exit on click?
Yeah, don't forget about it.
Okay.
Okay, now can you check? Nice. Don't forget about it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you can start again with this one. I
Ooh.
think you missed one side, right? After left, I think you have to forward again
Oh yeah.
because left is actually just turn around your pen, doesn't draw another side.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, run it first and then draw something like that. For the requirements, you can scroll down below. Click on click on here. Yeah. Seems like you're missing something. Okay, let's see. Nice.
Why
So
did it
far,
do so quick?
yeah. If you
Oh,
want to slow motion, just yeah. So from 1 to 10, how hard this task about?
easy.
About around 1 and 2?
From 1 to 10?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, by the way, I think you can do the some extra questions also. You don't have to skip that.
Oh,
Just finish it. Answer. Yep. Yeah. Now you can click the image to see. Okay. So if you see from here, what shape that you have to draw first? What do you think?
the triangle.
You sure? The triangle first and then the square, or the opposite?
Mm, I think it could be any.
Sorry,
I think any could be first.
the triangle or the
Okay, I think
square?
the triangle could be first, or the square could also be first. It doesn't look like it matters.
It actually matters because if you see that in here, the sides, what color is this?
That's yellow.
And if you think that the triangle goes first, let's say that the triangle goes first, okay, and then the square. Is it gonna be yellow or is it gonna be green?
Yeah, but like,
Because if you see that in here, the downside is actually yellow, right?
if you do this and then you
Mm-hmm.
just don't color the bottom side, it would just be the same though.
No, you have to because it's actually using a full square, not the not just the three sides of the square. It's four sides of the square.
Okay.
So, yeah, if you see, then you have to draw the square first and then the triangle, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
How thick is it? Oh, 2 pixels.
Sorry?
Never mind.
Okay. Kamu sedang cari piala.
Oh,
A little bit mistake.
wait, let me. Oh, okay.
Last one.
Iya, dia belum selesai. Okay.
Nice. Let's go to the second set. I think this one is going to be more challenging for you because we're going to learn about go to, right, and another new function. Okay.
Okay. But you already like told me about all of these already, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Change the same. Put different. Oh, huh? Did I have an underscore?
You just have to actually mention the length of the side and the angle.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, modify the program. So you just have to modify, okay?
Yeah.
And by the way, please don't change anything in this code, okay? Just modify from here. And if you want to know what shape that already done, can you click on testing? Yeah, click
Okay.
on play. So if you see in here, they already draw a wave. Okay, don't change about that. But please add some comments to actually continue the shape because it's only the flag, not the boat. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it first.
Uh,
Just have to continue from the forward 50.
mhm. What's the thickness of the stick and the bow? Hello, sir? Mister?
Sorry, is there any requirements about it?
Oh,
Do you,
no.
do you see the
But it looks
requirements?
like no, but it looks like the pen size is different.
Yeah, it's obviously different. Do you see the requirements?
Mm,
Here.
oh, here. Wait. Okay.
And you see that there is also the requirements for the degrees in here, okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is this the length?
Yep.
Is this the length?
Yeah, that's the length.
Okay.
I think after forward 30 in here, isn't it should be go to the right?
Huh? I'm going from here to here, and then here.
Yeah,
Here.
from here to here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Why are you using left?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah, you were right. Actually, seeking a different pictures. It should be left. Yeah, sorry. So I think you want to go here, right?
I'm
Do you
going.
want? I think you are using forward 105. Do you want to go left or right?
I'm going.
Do you want to go here or here?
I'm going right, but
Here.
yeah,
Oh, okay. That's gonna be, yeah.
yeah,
If you want to go there, that's using left. That's already
yeah.
correct. Yeah. Sorry for that. Just change here to the left. Left 90.
Oh,
Yeah, it should be left.
okay. So left.
And by the way, okay, so I will help you then. So you see in here that this is 45 degrees, right?
Yeah.
But you remember that if you want to turn your pen into this direction, don't using 45, but using
minus 185, 180.
minus 45, okay? So it should be how much? 135, okay?
Okay.
So in here, after using forward 105, please change the degrees into 1.
135.
Yeah. And then let's see the requirements again.
Okay.
Forward 50. Can we see the requirements again?
Uh,
Okay, 50, good. And 185 should be 45, good. Forward 80, good. Okay, and then right 45, okay, good. Forward, wait, right 45, forward 50, okay, right 40. Yeah, should be 135 in here. Yep, let's try again.
or there's no checklist yet. Like there's not.
This is gonna be manual check.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, you can check, scroll up and checklist and click the yellow button. And okay, so can you stop the share screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so it seems okay. Can you stop it? The
Uh,
share screen.
oh, I forgot how to stop share screen in Zoom. I don't use Zoom
Um,
often.
just go to the app. Then there is a stop share button.
Oh, there. Okay.
Okay, good. So because our time is almost end, can you tell me what you already learned so far, Zihan?
Zishan.
Oh yeah, Zishan, can you tell me?
I know how to use turtle.
And what is inside the turtle module?
Like
What function that you already learned?
forward, left, right, pen up and down.
And what is the function to fill the color inside the shape?
Mm, it is. I
What
forgot
is it?
what was. Fill?
Be
Fill?
begin fill and
Oh, begin, fill, and fill.
good. And what is the function to keep the image to stay on the screen?
Exit on click.
Exit and click. Good. And can you tell me the function to connect the module to your workspace?
From blank, import blank. From turtle, import all.
Okay, good then. So, okay, can you tell me then, is it actually fascinating for you to using Turtle right now?
Yeah.
And what is the most difficult task that you find on today's lesson?
Nothing was really difficult.
Sorry?
Nothing was hard.
Oh, how about the last one? Is it hard for you? The boat shape?
No.
Not really?
No.
Oh, okay then. And how about the degrees calculation? Is it confusing?
Mm, no.
Not? Okay then. Then actually you already up to with the turtle module. Okay. So if you actually kind of forget with the function, then you can read again the PowerPoint that I give it to you. Okay, Zishan?
Okay.
Okay. Is there any questions before we end our lessons?
No. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Okay. If there is no questions, okay. Bye bye, Zishan.
Bye.